Prep- Prepare to delve into an enigma that defies logic, an invisible point on the map that has swallowed ships and planes without a trace. Today, we dive into the depths of the Bermuda Triangle. An area where the inexplicable becomes the norm, where theories compete to unravel its secrets. Today we will explore these anomalies. For you, who seek to understand these mysteries, we have gathered the most chilling stories and the most surprising theories. From disappearances to inexplicable phenomena, we will unravel this enigma. Incidents and speculations from the first accounts to the most recent theories. Our goal, a clear vision of what happens at this point where the known meets the unknown. Join us on this immersion, leave behind certainties and prepare to question what you thought you knew. The Bermuda Triangle, the name alone is unsettling. True. Let's talk about this vast area of the Atlantic, an imaginary triangle between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. It's not an official area, you won't find it on nautical charts. But its presence in the collective imagination is undeniable. It is a crucial maritime and air route. It connects America with Europe and the Caribbean. Ships, merchant ships, cruise ships, planes, constant traffic. This traffic could explain some incidents, but it is the strange circumstances of the disappearances that fuel the legend. It is estimated that at least 50 ships and 20 planes have disappeared. 50 ships. An estimate, of course, but significant. And what is intriguing are the common characteristics, which make us suspect that there is more than just simple accidents. To understand this myth, we must go back to Christopher Columbus. In 1892 he already recorded anomalous phenomena. Already in the 15th century, he described a great flame of fire that fell into the sea, probably a meteorite, and a strange light in the distance. And what about the erratic compass readings? He attributed it to the convergence of true north and magnetic north in that area. Anomalies since the beginning of navigation in the area. The term Bermuda Triangle became popular in 1964. By an article by Vincent Gatteish, The Deadly Bermuda Triangle. That's where modern fascination began. That article ignited the spark. Books, documentaries, movies. The legend grew when any incident was examined with a magnifying glass. And boy are there chilling stories. The USS Cyclops in 1918, a huge cargo ship. More than 165 meters, 300 men on board. It was carrying 10,000 tons of manganese ore. It disappeared between Barbados and Chesapeake. Without a single distress signal. What is chilling is the absence of communication. A ship like that should have been able to send an alert. They searched everywhere. And they found nothing. Not a single wreck or a lifeboat. President Woodrow Wilson said, "Only God and the sea know what happened to it." And in 1941, 2 twin ships of the Cyclops also disappeared on the same route. As if an invisible force had swallowed them. And then there's Flight 19 in 1945. 5 bombers on a routine mission. With experienced pilots, the leader was a veteran. The route was simple, but an hour and a half later, Lieutenant Taylor reported compass failures. He claimed to be over the Florida Keys, completely off course. Communication was cut off. His last message was, "Prepare to ditch upon reaching 10 gallons of fuel." 14 missing airmen. And they sent a seaplane to look for them. With 13 crew members. And it also disappeared. 2 planes, 27 men, without a trace. It's as if the earth had swallowed them. And the Curlew diving in 1921, a 5-masted brigantine, grounded in North Carolina, completely empty. A ghost ship. The crew, their belongings, the navigation equipment, everything had disappeared. Why abandon the ship without taking anything? And at the same time, 9 other ships disappeared in similar circumstances. A wave of ghost ships. The case of the Witchcraft in 1967 is also intriguing. A small luxury cruise ship that disappeared in minutes. They went out to see the Christmas lights and called the Coast Guard for a tow. When they arrived, 20 minutes later, there was nothing left. Incredible, right? 20 minutes and they disappear. In 2015, 2 teenagers, Austin Stefanos and Perry Cohen, went fishing in the Bahamas. They sent a message on Snapchat saying they were having trouble. They found their boat, but not them. and the battery had been intentionally disconnected, without mechanical failures. What happened to them? A mystery. Faced with the inexplicable, we seek answers. Let's start with the scientific ones. The Gulf Stream. One of the most powerful crosses the triangle. It could drag the remains, explaining the lack of evidence. And it also generates storms. The methane hydrate theory also sounds interesting. There are deposits on the ocean floor. A sudden release of methane could reduce the density of the water, sinking ships. And what about planes? Methane could also affect the atmosphere, causing a loss of lift in planes. Magnetic anomalies could also explain some disappearances. The alignment of true north and magnetic north could confuse navigators using compasses. Although with GPS, this theory has lost strength. But of course, there are also less orthodox theories. Sea monsters, for example. The Kraken. The Leviathan. Mythical creatures that could attack ships without leaving a trace. And ghosts. The triangle as a meeting point with the afterlife. An area where the boundary between realities is thinner. Spirits could disorient navigators, cause them terror, even harm. And extraterrestrial intervention. A portal or a base. Aliens could use the triangle as a base or transit point. UFOs and strange lights could be evidence. Meteorology also plays an important role, right? Without a doubt. Intense storms, hurricanes, waterspouts. An encounter with one of these phenomena could be fatal. And then there are the conspiracy theories. What is the government of the wise hiding? Many believe they are hiding the truth. Secret experiments, military bases, mind control tests. Distrust of the government fuels these ideas. And let's not forget Atlantis. What if its remains caused the anomalies? The legendary lost city with its advanced technology. A theory that connects modern mystery with antiquity. We have reviewed incredible stories, from science to imagination. The Bermuda Triangle continues to be a challenge for us. What explanation convinces you the most? Forces of nature, entities from another world, hidden secrets. This Devil's Triangle forces us to confront the limits of our knowledge. Perhaps there are phenomena that we cannot yet explain. Thank you for joining us on this immersion. We hope to have sparked your curiosity. Perhaps the real anomaly is our need for answers where there is only mystery. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, it would help me a lot if you subscribed to the channel and gave it a like. And don't forget to leave a comment. I love reading your opinions and suggestions to continue creating content that you like. Until next time.